Hey guys, working on a 2008 Honda Accord, and we have a P0339 code, which is actually a crankshaft position sensor code. Very serious code to deal with. Usually you're going to notice either your car won't start, it's harder for it to start, or your car will kind of run kind of rough. It's a serious code you need to take care of, so let's jump right into it. Let's talk about location here. We're going to follow this to the back. Getting old. And if you see here, you got your drain plug, you got your oil filter, and if I'm not mistaken, the crankshaft position sensor sits behind this cover here, sits right below the CV axle. Let's remove these bolts. They're probably either 10 mils or 8 mils. One here. Two. And there she is. I'm trying to tell you. Alright, that's it. Yeah. Come on, baby. Alright, and she's out. Beautiful. Let's take a look at our new part here. Okay, this is our old crankshaft position sensor. I'm sure you're probably like, alright, I'm done here, I know what I'm doing now, but you only have to battle. The important part is making sure you get the right crankshaft position sensor, okay? If you get anything that's not the OEM and you put this in, the car might start once, but your check engine light will probably come back on and your car may not start again. The OEM brand is a Hitachi, and the part number is CPS0023. This probably goes for a lot of the Hondas with this engine. And let's get it in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of silicone paste around this gasket to help it plop in. Some silicone paste, wiped it around the seal here, and let's drop it in. Let's clean the hole before we put it in with some brake clean, and we'll stick it in. That is the P0339, the P0171. This catalytic converter code, we're going to check this. There's a way we can check it to see if the catalytic converter is still doing its job. But for now, we're going to clear everything out. Yes. Alright, don't forget we got that fuel injector cleaner in there, so I might have to tap the gas pedal at the same time. There we go. Battery might be weak, shit. Alright, so as of right now, we don't have our check engine light on. I'm gonna let the car warm up. 204,000 miles, craziness. Good old, you like that. Good old stick shift.